I chose EMS for a multitude of different reasons.
I always knew I wanted to work in a healthcare setting.
Did a ride along with her, and after that ride along, I was just like, this is something I have to do. There was something I had to do.
My stepdad was a paramedic for a long time, and I could hear about the patient treatment he had and the patient outcomes.
This carries a lot of responsibility, putting this uniform on, representing my school.
That somebody's life is going to be in my hands, or the probability of it.
That I'm ready for whatever challenges come my way, whatever topic we're covering that day.
It's like to know that I will be the person who makes a difference with the knowledge that I have. I don't have to call anyone. I will have the knowledge that I need to take care of my patient, and that excites me. That gets me going.
I work hard because, who else is there to do it? If not me, who else will pick up the mantle for the future, medicine, really?
Well, I've always looked for a challenge in life for that, and this has been probably the biggest challenge in my life.
And just the strive and the drive to be better.
It would mean a lot to my family. I know they would be very proud of me. I know my mother would be especially proud because she's the one that's been supporting me through all of this. And I know my late grandmother would be proud of me as well.
So it's more of a life change for me. Knowing that I can make a difference in someone's life, it motivates me to become that paramedic that everyone needs.
I wanted to be the best I can be for my patients, for my family, and for the future.
I am the calm.
I am the strengths.
I am the care.
I am the future.
And I am EMS.